I'm pretty sure I turned off the electricity. I'm pretty sure.
No, you're not pretty anything. Oh, nice.
Ow, ow. Crap.
Me and Con are showing the tree.
Kind of disrupted the path. Oh
dear.
no, don't think it's done. You know, it's kind of surprising me.
You guys is?
A random path. It hasn't caught fire yet. That makes it go anyway. Oh, that's good.
Can we stop it now? Oh dear.
A randomness of it. Would you trap something inside the tree again?
Wait, is it done?
You like your ball buzzing?